What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the greatest, #1, best YouTube channel on the planet for Uber and Lyft drivers, at least on planet Earth. I don't know about Mars or Mercury or Uranus. Maybe there's better YouTube channels out there, but on planet Earth, the Rideshare Hub is the best channel. I'm just kidding, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to today's video. This is a special video. I've gotten a bunch of questions about stereo. I have done a series, I guess, of sponsored videos. They did reach out to me in the past, which, yeah, I made a couple videos about them, and I actually got so many signups, like with you guys signing up to this app, that they told me, like, hey Dylan, can you stop promoting us? But I felt like, because I've talked about them so much, that there are like still a lot of things, a lot of questions to be answered. And so I wanted to kind of make this follow-up video and then tell you guys, like, yeah, again, I'm not getting paid for this video at all, but like, if you do want to sign up for this app, like, do it before they have too many drivers. So yeah, I really don't care if you do sign up or not. Like, I don't get any incentive or bonus or anything, but if you want to do this, basically stereo is an app that pays you to play music in your car as a rideshare driver. It's specifically for Uber and Lyft drivers. And basically what they do, like, I guess they like, it's like a marketplace. Like, our artists and small like record labels pay them to promote music in Uber and Lyft's cars, and then they pay, like, give the drivers like a cut. Basically pay the drivers most of it, and then they take a cut. Their whole reasoning behind this, and I've talked to some of the founders there, and they're great. I love the guys there. Like, Sean, if you're watching this, dude, you're great. You know, you're killing it. The people are really, really cool. They love music. They're doing great things. Basically, the whole idea is that it's a very music-centered company, and it is new. So, like, expect, you know, a couple things to go wrong here and there, like, you know, glitches in the app, maybe. I mean, I don't know. I haven't had any bad experiences, but I have had some people tell me, like, oh, like, I don't know, I can only do like 1 or 2 playlists. And I'm like, yeah, come on, give them a break. They're not like a huge company. But basically what they're doing is they, you know, everyone knows that, like, in car and like in the radio, it has always been throughout history the #1 way for people to discover music. It's all, like, you know, even when I was a kid. I mean, it's not like that anymore because, like, of streaming and stuff, and now you just like plug in your phone on Spotify or whatever. But like, before, it was like, you would always turn on Kiss FM, turn on rock, like, I don't know the whole stations because it's going to be different, like, depending on where you live, but it's like you turn on the station and you hear a song and it's like, oh, what song is that? And it's like, then that you listen for them to tell you the name of the song, so then you can, like, go buy their CD or whatever. Like, I'm talking in ancient terms now. So, like, even, I mean, it's funny because, like, 16-year-olds will have no idea, like, what, you discovered music on the radio? But basically, they are, like, bringing that whole, like, discovery of music in the car and, like, what it's all been, and then combining with streaming, and then doing it in Uber and Lyft. It's a really, really, like, innovative concept, and it's working. So they're paying drivers money to play music in the car. And, you know, I'm not gonna sync up my computer just because I can just show you really quick how it works, like, handheld. But yeah, they have a few different like types of playlists. I think they have like pop. Here, let me just pull it up really quick. Again, I'll leave a link in the description, but you could just type in stereo on the in the App Store, or go to playstereo.com, and then there will also be links for you to download it. Hopefully my internet works so I can actually do this video. Come on, dude. I hate when it doesn't load. Like, dude, I'm paying for this Wi-Fi. Can you at least load for me when I need it? Okay, here we go. So yeah, you can go to Play Stereo and then, like, click here if you want. I mean, or you can just type stereo in, just stereo, not Play Stereo. But yeah, see, as you can see here, like, they have different types of playlists for what you want. Like you can actually choose the styles of playlists. It's really straightforward. Like you'll learn as you're doing it. They do, I believe, currently have a 30-day waiting period. So I talked to the guys like about that. Basically, they do that in order to ensure that they're like getting active drivers and they're not just like random people are signing up. So they actually do like some sort of background check, like minimal, just to see that you are an active driver. But yeah, so like you might have to wait 30 days to get assigned. But yeah, so as you can see, yeah, it's like new releases. It's like undiscovered music. Just hit play, and the app is exclusively for Rideshare drivers. Once you download the app, just hit play, blah, blah, blah. And I've only done it like part-time, and I was trying to figure out the exact pay scale, but somebody sent me a message, a driver he sent me a screenshot on Instagram because he found my other video. He drives 40 hours a week, and he was making $100. He showed me he made $100 in 2 weeks doing it. And I think he was doing it for like, he was doing as much as he could. So it's like $50 a week extra, which like, yeah, it's obviously it's not like a ton of money. So like, but it's more than zero. You know what I mean? 50 bucks a week. Like this stuff adds up. And you know, you guys always know me. Like I always try to promote like multiple things, multiple like products. But yeah, like there's like Cargo, Play Octopus. Like Cargo's like the thing, the box of food and drinks that you keep in your like center console and stuff. And then Play Octopus is like the there's like viewer and ride with surf. Tablets on the back of your headrest for passengers to look at. And then stereo is like the new one. So you can do like all three of those. And you can do Wrapify too. You can wrap your car up. And guys, like some of these things like 50 bucks a week. Play Octopus like 100 bucks. I think that one's like, I think people are making like 200 or 300 bucks a month with that one. Maybe 200, I don't know. Like that's like another 50 bucks a week. Wrapify, that's like 300-400 bucks a month. So yeah, another like 100 bucks a month almost. Right there, you're already at 200. Maybe Cargo, another 20-30 bucks a week. I don't know. These things add up, guys. So like, I don't know. I just wanted to make this video and basically clarify everything. Is like, probably will make like $50 a month or $50 a week, around there. But yeah, I think that's about it. And yeah, about the waiting period, that's normal if you get, when you apply and it says there's a 30-day waiting period. Yes, that's normal. That happens for everybody. Even me, I even got the 30-day waiting period. So, but yeah, guys, I like to support like small companies and people really following their passion, and like the founders, that's their passion, is like creating this environment for rideshare drivers and passengers to discover new music. So yeah, I'm gonna shout them out even though they didn't ask me to. And encourage you guys to try it out. Like, you know, you have literally zero risk. No risk. You don't need to pay anything up front. Like, just sign up, you know. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss another video on Uber and Lyft where I share exclusive opportunities to make more money like stereo. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. Have a good one. Bye, guys.